Good day, everyone. Welcome to NMS Pro channel again. So today, we'll be doing something very simple and quick. Due to messages I've got requests to make videos on how to upload O-level results to your JAMB CAPS successfully. This works for 2023, 22 downwards to 2025. That is this year, and it will still work ahead. So now, there are things you need to know, and I'm going to highlight them all in this video. I'm going to highlight everything all in this video. Now, there is difference between O-level results and A-level results. I will differentiate these things, their importance, and which one is necessary, and how to upload them. But I want everything to be in steps. So you will start with the first step. You can use your mobile phone or use your PC. I'm using my PC. So the first thing you need to do is to locate JAMB facility. The first thing is to locate JAMB facility. So after locating JAMB facility, you will need to go for the first option, that is efacility.jamb.gov.ng. I think the network is a bit slow, so you guys should just endure. Now you go ahead and enter your email address and your password. In case some of you doesn't know how to get your email address and your password, I have a video on that on this channel. So now all I will do is I will leave a link to it in the description, so that you can be able to get your password and your email from there. So now I will go ahead and input my email and my password here for me to log in. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to enter the email and enter the password. So now just watch me closely. Let me put in my email, and just in case you don't know your password, I will drop a link to the video on the description so you can go and watch how to get your password, or how to successfully log into your JAMB portal, how to get your logins. Now this is me trying to enter my password. I've entered my email. So I covered it for a little security purpose so that you cannot see it. So now if you log in, this is what you will see. So the first thing you have to do is to locate the check admission status. You click on it, then click on access my CAPS. But before you do that, you need to confirm the year. That is, if you've registered your JAMB more than that year, you will see other years there which you can select. Then you press access my CAPS. So now this is what you see when you press access my CAPS. So now we have my O-level. So now at this junction, I should tell you the difference between O-level results and your A-level results. Now we have DE and UTME. This O-level is necessary. Let's go through it so that we check. O-level result is necessary for you. Take a look at the O-level result. It's necessary for you if you are applying with UTME. That if you are applying with your O-level results, you understand? That means you are starting from 100 level, wherever you want to start from, or ND or anything. You are starting from O-level. Do you understand? But if you are using direct entering, you don't have any issue. Just in case this O-level, just in case you are using O-level to apply, if your O-level is not uploaded and showing here, you're at risk of not getting admission. Your chances of getting admission is slim, because JAMB will never give admission to you without you having to upload your O-level year accurately. Even any slight mistake here can be able to deny you admission. That's why you should be very careful when uploading this. I'm going to tell you how to upload after I explain A level results. Now let's go back so you check A level results. This person is using UTME, so there is no A level results or A level qualification uploaded here. But if you are a DE candidate, that is direct entry, you are looking for to start from 200 level or something like that, you have your ND, you have other results, you have IJMB, I don't know, or things like that, you should upload them here. You understand? So you are expected to upload them here. It's different from O level. You don't have any issue with O level. Yours is A level results because you are not using O level. And now, a way of uploading this is JAMB has done it in such a way that you, as a candidate or even a cyber cafe, cannot upload your O level results or A level results for you. You can just go to an accredited JAMB CBT center to get it uploaded. But just in case you are in a hurry or you are in a place where you cannot go to JAMB CBT center, JAMB CBT center is not close by to you, I can help you do that because of the privilege of I work directly from the JAMB software, so I can be able to upload for you even though you are not here. But if you are 2020, I think 21, 20, 22, I cannot upload as it will be requiring your biometrics and you are not here to do the biometrics. But from 2023 to 2025, I will be able to do that. So all I will do is leave my number here on the screen. That is my WhatsApp number. Just in case you have difficulties in uploading, you need help, or you are not close by to any CBT center, I will get it done for you in a matter of hours, at least, at most hours or minutes. So I will get it done for you. I've done it for a lot of people and there is no issue with it. In fact, carefully we do it so that there will be no issue. And if there is any issue you want to correct, maybe you find out that your exam number is not correct, say they uploaded the grades and everything, you can also come for correction. I think with this we've come to the end of this video. You can go glance through the channel and you see other exciting videos on the channel. So there is a need for you to subscribe, as if you like videos like this. Thank you.